Hello, doers. Welcome back to our channel, Devintelle. Today we will see how to assign unique number to the task and project when you create any new task and projects. You can see here our module Dev Project Task Number. First install this module, so click on this Activate button. Now our module is installable. First go to Projects, Create New. I'll create Office Party and create new. Task 1. Assign Michelle. Now add. Go to these projects. You can easily see here this project in created task in generated sequence number. In here this created office party in also display project sequence number 1. Thank you.